Are you looking to track payments with Deel but unsure how to get started? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to track payments with Deel, ensuring that you stay on top of all your transactions and get paid on time. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll share how you can get access to this software completely free with some exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out. When you're managing payments through Deel, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your account is set up properly. Deel allows you to easily track payments for contractors, employees, and freelancers across multiple countries and currencies, all within one platform. The key is understanding how Deel organizes its payment tracking system so you can use it effectively. To track payments, first, head to your dashboard. From here, you'll see an overview of all the payments you've made and are scheduled to make. Deel has a simple, user-friendly interface that displays payment details in a clear and organized manner. It shows you the amount, the currency, and the due date for each transaction. Next, click on the Payments tab to dive deeper into your payment history. This is where you can find detailed information on past payments, including whether they were successful or pending. Deel also provides you with the option to filter payments by date, status, and type. This is particularly useful if you need to track a specific payment from weeks ago or want to review how many payments you've made in a given period. One of the most powerful features of Deel when it comes to tracking payments is its automatic payment reminders. Deel will send notifications about upcoming payments, so you never miss a deadline. These reminders are customizable, and you can set them to notify you via email or within the app itself. It's an essential tool if you're managing multiple contractors or clients across different time zones. Another key feature for payment tracking is the integration with your accounting system. Deel offers seamless integration with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and others. This means you can automatically sync your payments with your books without the need for manual input. It's a great way to keep your financials organized and accurate, especially when dealing with international payments. What's more, Deel also allows you to generate payment reports. These reports are a great way to get an overview of all your payments over a set period. You can download them in CSV format, making it easy to share with your finance team or accountants. Whether you need to track payments for tax purposes or ensure that every freelancer has been paid correctly, these reports make it simple. Now, if you're looking to pay contractors or employees, Deel simplifies this by allowing you to send payments directly through the platform. You can pay via bank transfer, PayPal, or other methods, depending on your contractor's preferences. Deel ensures that payments are made on time and in the correct currency, making international payments as smooth as domestic ones. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to track payments with Deel. And remember, if you're ready to dive in and get started, you can try Deel completely free through the link in the description. Plus, by using this link, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. If you're managing a team or running a business with international contractors, Deel is an essential tool for tracking payments and keeping everything organized. Don't forget that Deel's payment tracking system also integrates with other tools, making it an even more powerful asset for your business. So, to recap, Deel offers a streamlined way to track payments, manage contractors, and ensure timely, accurate payments across borders. With features like payment reports, reminders, and integrations, Deel makes managing payments simple and efficient. And as promised, the first link below gives you access to an extended free trial of Deel with exclusive bonuses. Take advantage of this offer while it lasts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out Deel for your business needs.